Introducing the all-new Edge AI appliance powered by the Intel Core Ultra Series 2. Hello everyone, welcome to Product Insight. I'm Mike. Today I'm very excited to introduce you Lanner's latest innovation, the EAI i5-110, the Edge AI Inference computer. Designed precisely to enhance safety and efficiency through advanced AI-powered video analytics, the EAI i5-110 is ideal for diverse applications, including retail, manufacturing, and smart city initiatives. At its core, the EAI i5-110 is powered by the Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processor, codenamed Arrow Lake H. This powerful processor delivers up to 99 TOPS of AI processing power, offering impressive 2.5 times the AI performance of previous generations. This appliance includes an integrated Intel Arc graphics and an XMX GPU tailored for handling high-throughput AI workload efficiently. Additionally, the Intel Neural Processing Unit with the NPU offloads the lighter AI tasks from the CPU, significantly reducing overall power consumptions. For comprehensive system expansion, the EAI i5-110 supports up to 96 GB of DDR5 memory at 6400 MHz and 1 PCIe by 8 slot for additional AI accelerators, 2 M.2 slots for Wi-Fi 6, LTE, and 5G connectivity. And furthermore, 1 M.2 NVMe slot and dual 2.5-inch of SSD base for versatile storage expansion. On the front side of the EAI i5-110, featuring the power button, reset button, PS on, USB ports, DP ports, microphone in and line out, PCI slots, and SIM card slot. On the other side of the EAI i5-110, featuring the power connectors, LAN ports, COM ports, DIO ports, and fans. Thank you for watching this episode of Product Insight. So if you are interested in learning more about the all-new Edge AI appliance powered by the Intel Core Ultra Series 2, please contact us and we'll get back to you. See you next time.